Welcome to your monthly Caribbean Drone News, and this is the August 2025 edition. And this month we have three stories for you. Caribbean cinematographer earns Emmy nomination, Guyanese drone operator selected for climate innovation, and FPV is revolutionizing whale research. Let's get into it. In our first story, a huge congratulations to one of the region's very own. US Virgin Islands based aerial cinematographer Dwight Winston has just earned his third Emmy nomination for his work on the CBS reality show Survivor. Now, this is a big deal not just for Dwight, but for the entire Caribbean as he's putting our islands on the map in the world of global cinematography. With his companies, D. Winston Media and Moco Drones, he's worked with major names like Disney and ABC, just to name a few. Before we continue, special announcement. We have just launched the Pilots of the Caribbean podcast Drone Pilot Checklist. So whether you are a hobbyist or a commercial operator, this checklist will make sure that you have everything in order before you take off for your next flight. Now, to get the checklist, there's a link in the description, and you sign up and you will receive it in your email. Now, we are also announcing that we'll be launching the Pilots of the Caribbean podcast newsletter in a couple of weeks. So that's coming soon. And once you sign up to receive the checklist, you'll automatically be added to the newsletter listing. Or if you want to sign up for the newsletter, you can head over to the website, pilotsofthecaribbeanpod.com, and there's a form on the homepage where you could submit your name and your email address, and you'll be added to the newsletter list. And I guarantee you, you're not going to want to miss out on that because we have some really good stuff coming at you. So, checklist, link in the description. If you just want to sign up for the newsletter, head over to the website and sign up now. Now back to it. Now, in our second story, we head over to Guyana, where Brian Smith, friend to the podcast and the founder of Dragonfly Drones and Geospatial Solutions, has made history as the first Guyanese to be selected as a Halcyon Fellow for Climate Innovation. Now, the Halcyon Fellowship is a prestigious global program, and Brian was chosen for his innovative use of drones to help small-scale farmers build climate resilience. This is an incredible opportunity for him and a significant recognition of Guyana's role in advancing sustainable solutions. Now, you guys make sure to check out Brian and the Dragonfly Drones team on social media and keep an eye out on his progress as he works to make agriculture more resilient in a changing climate. Congratulations once again to friend to the podcast, Brian Smith. Pilots of the Caribbean podcast audience, October 21st and 22nd, we are headed to the largest drone show in Florida, and that is none other than Elevate UAV 2025 presented by Drone Nerds. So make sure to come out, grab your tickets, and take in the live demos. So this is not just seeing the drones on display, this is actually being able to see them in operation, talk to the manufacturers, get your questions answered, and so much more. So that's October 21st and 22nd. We head into Miami, Florida. And for the Pilots of the Caribbean podcast audience, we have a 75% discount code. That's Caribbean75. So link in the description and get 75% off your ticket. Now, with that 75% off, I'm not saying that you have to buy a VIP ticket, but make sure you get a VIP ticket. And I will see you in Miami October 21st and 22nd, Elevate UAV 2025. Peace. And finally, for a story that combines technology with a passion for conservation, researchers in Dominica are revolutionizing whale research with a new tap and go drone system. They've developed a method using modified FPV and as first-person view racing drones to gently attach suction cup sensors to the backs of whales. This non-invasive approach allows scientists to collect crucial data on whale acoustics and behavior with minimal stress to the animals. Now, this is a massive improvement over traditional methods that required scientists to get up close with a pole, and normally you require them to use noisy boats to do it. The sensors detach automatically and the data is retrieved remotely. This groundbreaking drone technology is already being used on sperm whales and holds incredible promise for protecting endangered species. And that's it for this month's news. As usual, if there's a story that you think we missed or one that you think should be getting spotlighted and highlighted, please feel free to reach out to us, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.